and welcome to our Amenity Showcase and Living Catalogue.
So hi, my name is Matt Lewis. I'm the Amenity Trials and Showcase Manager here at DLF in Inkberry. And this is our new showcase facility grand opening day. The weather's decided to play ball for us, which is fantastic. To get to this point where we are today, it's been a challenge. I think initially for me, the main challenge was having that end vision, what we wanted the showcase to look like, how we wanted the different surfaces to perform for us to show our clients. So initially that was my first challenge. And then secondly was, because the soil hasn't really been managed in an amenity setting, it was working out our soil profile. So working out the topography, is it sand, is it silt, is it clay? Working with a feed program that incorporates everything that we need our grass to do. And the main challenge now, fast forward to now, has just been the weather. It's been extremely dry, so water inputs have been a challenge, and irrigating the whole site, not just on the showcase but on the amenity trials as well, is something that yeah, it is a challenge, but it's something that I relish and enjoy doing. For the future, I look forward to seeing the site develop as our species establish and mature and thicken up in the sward themselves, and that's only going to happen through the nutrient input and the management of what we're trying to do here as a company with our showcase.
Hello, it is absolutely fantastic to be here today for the grand opening of the DLF Showcase and Living Catalogue. As you can see behind me, we've got a whole bunch of visitors today enjoying the facilities. We're so proud to open this new Centre of Excellence. The whole point of the showcase is to really be able to demonstrate to our customers the products that we offer. We talk all the time about sustainable solutions, and this is very much what the showcase is all about. Visitors to the site will be able to see most of our market-leading mixtures in action across football, rugby, tennis, cricket and golf, as well as lawn and landscaping. So there's a whole lot for people to see. On the site, we've also got over 3,000 new breeder plots and nearly 300 new mixture and cultivar plots. You'll be able to see pretty much everything that's on offer in the market today and looking forward into the future for the next 10 years. The showcase and the investment that DLF made really marks DLF's commitment to turf excellence and sustainable solutions for the future, and we look forward to welcoming customers and visitors alike to see what it's all about and enjoy it for themselves.